Get more on these tariffs right now, and for that we're bringing in Gerri Willis to break it all down. Hey, Gerri.
Hey there, Trish. Well, the Dow down again, as you were saying, on trade war fears and fears of these tariffs. Beneficiaries of the tariff, steel and aluminum companies trading lower today after a big update Thursday. The breadth of the sell-off showing how widespread the use of these metals are, from cans of Campbell's soup to air conditioners, cars and power boats. Sectors hardest hit: industrials today, financials, utilities and basic materials. Tech stocks kept swinging back and forth between positive and negative, ending up positive. Corporations weighing in on this, mostly negative. Here's what Electrolux, the vacuum maker, had to say. Quote, "We believe tariffs are likely to cause a significant increase in the price of steel on the U.S. market. This will give foreign-made products an unfair cost advantage compared to products made in the U.S. Until we have the final order and can understand the details, though, we're putting our commitment to invest $250 million in Tennessee on hold." Other critics, the American International Auto Dealers Association, which says the burden of the tariffs would be passed on to consumers. Automakers GM and Toyota sharply critical. Beer and boat makers trade groups complained about how higher aluminum prices will make their business tougher, while makers of chemicals, air conditioners and oil pipelines also weighed in on the negative side. Economists say tariffs will boost inflation. But Wilbur Ross, Commerce Secretary, said the impact on prices was, quote, "no big deal." He estimated that the cost of a car would rise 0.5%, while a can of Campbell's soup would rise 0.6 cents and a can of Coke 0.3 cents. And there's a debate over the impact on American workers and employment. The Wall Street Journal pointing out that steel-using industries employ a lot of people, 6.5 million workers, but the steel-making industry much smaller, with just 140,000 workers. One study, in fact, showing that tariffs can actually cost jobs. The 2002 steel tariffs put in place by Bush resulted in more jobs lost than had been employed in the U.S. steel industry as prices rose and the economy weakened. Trish.